Today we will learn divisibility rules for 7. If the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by other digits is divisible by 7, then the given number is divisible by 7. For example, 119. The last digit is 9. Twice of 9 is 18. Number formed by remaining digits is 11. So now we will find the difference, 11. So now we will find the difference between these two numbers. The difference between these two numbers is 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 119 is divisible by 7. Let's do another example. 197. Here we see the last digit is 7. Twice of 7 is 14. And the numbers formed by remaining digits is 19. So 19 is bigger than 14. So we will write 19 on top and find the difference between 19 and 14. 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. Therefore, 197 is not divisible by 7. Let's take another number, 455. So here we see the last digit is 5 and the double of 5 is 10. Now the number formed by the remaining digits is 45. 45 minus 10 is 35. 35 is divisible by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Therefore, 455 is divisible by 7. This is how we need to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not using the divisibility rules. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.